Welcome back, it's Clean Phil Wanted, and one thing that I do enjoy doing a lot is fly fishing. Gosh, I probably have 4 or 5 weights. Pretty much every single one of them is broken. So I learned a long time ago to always have a backup rod. This is his bag, and this is all he has. This is pretty much all he ever had. But it's in a St. Croix box bag. It needs a better home than this to keep it safe, finally. So we are going to try to make a box. It's not going to be the prettiest box in the world, but it's going to work. And I hope, if I make the sizes right, because we all know I'm not necessarily good at doing that. I don't have a kerfing plane to set a kerf here, and I've started to mark it out with a marking gauge, but I'm going to try to do something I've not really done before. I'm going to make a kerf with an 1/8 inch blade on my Stanley 45. That's a good one. That's a good one. I'm going to go ahead and do something that probably annoys everybody at this point, but I'm going to antique this the same way I do with everything else. Vinegar steel wool mixture. Just because that's what I do. I should take the hardware off because that stuff oxidizes. I'm not going to worry about it. You may worry about that. If you want to take them off, take them off. It's not going to be a dramatic effect, but every little bit of oxidation hurts most metals. This is still drying, and she works. Got 2 rods in here. This is a Tenkara rod, which I didn't know I couldn't use in New Zealand when I brought it over. And a St. Croix rod, which is not really a St. Croix rod. But there you go. We made a box to protect, really, this guy. Even though he doesn't necessarily need it anymore, but he certainly deserves it. Cross-pinned with molding nails, so that will hopefully never come apart. We'll find out. But yeah, this is nice. I'll take this every day. I'll probably put the semi-gloss spray with the HVLP sprayer on this later. I'm not gonna worry about it right now. This all needs to dry out first. This is nice. That's a win. I'm enjoying making boxes. I think we're gonna make a few more. For now, subscribe, like, and comment. Catch you later. Cheers.
Did you happen to take my coffee cup?
I don't think so.
Okay. I don't know where I put it.
Well, this one was on the counter. I thought I filled it up.
That was mine.
Well, where's the other one?
On your desk?
Oh, I'll trade you.
That's okay.
Sorry.
That's okay. I just thought I was going crazy.
Sorry.